I'm Steve from Sounds Heavenly. Welcome to an amazing day of vintage radio and Bang & Olufsen with the Beofriends and the NVHR Radio Society. Now today we had two amazing events at the same location at Draaibeken in the Netherlands. In the morning we had the NVHR Dutch Radio Society swap meet. Now, my Dutch is not on point, but I will try this. NVHR stands for the Nederlandse Vereniging voor de Historie van de Radio. And this was really well attended with some incredible items. So I'll give you a quick photo montage to tour you through the hall. You'll see a predominance of Philips items as they were by far the Netherlands' largest radio producer through most of the 20th century. But there's quite a bit of Bang & Olufsen and other brands here as well. Now this was followed in the afternoon by one of my favourite events of the year, which is the Beofriends Repair Day. Now if you're not aware of Beofriends, you need to check out their website, because for a Bang & Olufsen fan, this is just incredible. Beofriends are a group of B&O fans and friends who meet up to have outings, events and social get-togethers, and also to repair each other's B&O products, which I think is wonderful. It's great that we have a number of expert B&O repairers in the group who will happily give their time and expertise to help others whose B&O has failed. So this is a wonderful event, and if you're a B&O fan and you're not yet part of Beofriends, please check out their website and get involved. To me, this group encompasses everything that B&O collecting should really be about. So please enjoy. We'll have a look through some of the repairs in progress. Thank you for joining me on this trip to the Netherlands to visit the Beofriends and the NVHR radio show. Thank you for watching.